Hi, this is Cindy from my girlfriend's quilt shop, and I'm going to show you an easy method to sew squares together to form a one block quilt block. Here we have set out and laid out our squares to how we want them to sew together. And what we're going to do is a chain stitch method, and I'm sure you're all familiar with it, where I'm taking row 1 and row 2 and I'm putting them together, and I'm going to sew a 1/4 inch seam and leave them hooked together as I sew. I'm sewing my 1/4 inch and then I leave it there. I've got my foot set so that it will raise. I pick up the next row and I sew those two together. And then I pick up my last row and I sew those two together. And at the end of this row, I cut my thread because I want to add these next 3 blocks to this to make my, I don't cut those apart, I leave them together. And now I'm going to sew the last row block on row 1. And as I put that down and sew it, I'm going to sew the last block of row 2. And this way, when you're doing it this way, you don't get confused as to what position that block is in. I know when I'm trying to put together things like this, I get confused and invariably I put one in the wrong place and have to pick it out. So I like to do my, when I have it all set, I can sew this out. And that's the method that we use in our pillow of the month this month to sew our apple together. So when I get this out, now I have them all chained together. They're all chained together in the proper order, and I don't cut any threads. And when I go to press them, I lay them out, and so I know now I'm going to press them all this way, these all this way, and this way, so that they'll nest together. And then I'm just going to put them together like this because they're attached. They're all in the right proper order. So I will sew my rows together, and I'll nest my seams so that they'll fit perfectly together. And when I have it all done, it's all done, and it takes the frustration out of, oh, I put that block in the wrong spot. And this is a quick and easy method to use whenever you're going to chain stitch squares together to form, and they could be half square triangles, they don't have to be just squares. Whatever you're going to do, lay them out, sew them in this manner, and then you don't get confused as to where they go. Thanks.